Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Swan Institute YouTube channel. Coming to myself, I am Mahesh Achari, registered with NSE, National Stock Exchange, along with working as a marketing partner. You can find here my registration certificate as well. And if you want to open DMAT account, kindly go to description link and click on that link. You open DMAT account within 10 minutes. We know that Zerodha is #1 stockbroker in India. And you can find our institute in Google as well by typing Swan Institute. Along with, you can follow our page in Facebook as well. And you can follow our institute in Changed as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And today our topic is going to discuss about F&O lot size. So recently you heard about the news. Nifty has changed some lot sizes. So we know that NSE, National Stock Exchange, which is the world's largest volume traded daily turnover in Indian stock exchange. So here we can find here our NSE circular. I am going to explain here. On March 31st, they announced that Nifty 50 lot size was changed, and it came to exist in act from the July month. So you can find previously there is a 75 is the lot size, and from July 1st onwards you can trade with lot size of only 50, and apart from that there is no change in Bank Nifty and Nifty Financial Services Index as well. So you can continue it as a Nifty Bank lot size is 25 and Nifty Financial Services lot size is 40 as usual. There is no change happen. So this is about the NSE circular, friends. And before that, you have to know that NSE, National Stock Exchange, commenced trading in derivatives with the launch of index futures on June 12, 2000 year. The future contracts are based on the popular benchmark index, you know that, Nifty 50 index. The exchange introduced trading in index options as well. It is also based on the Nifty 50 index only, and options are introduced in India on June 4th, 2001. And here, friends, I am going to explain with a live example how the changes will happen from July 1st onward. This is the Zerodha DMAT account interface. Now I opened this index and I am going to show you my holding space. I invested around 3080 rupees. Now it is 6090 rupees. Around I am earned around 90%, more than 90%. You know, guys, you can find here my holdings as well, which is I am holding these positions since 2 years back, 2 years old positions, but it's an explanation purpose. That's why I am keep holding 1 or 2 stocks only. If I hold these the investment of 3 lakhs or 3 crores, it's maybe doubled. So unfortunately I didn't hold any huge quantities. This is the interface Nifty. You can find here Nifty high, low prices and previous close as well. Now it is a bullish trend happened. And you can find a Nifty Bank as well, and Nifty Sensex, Nifty 50, Nifty Financial Services Index as well. And coming to our page, now you can find here Nifty June futures contract, Nifty July future contract as well. We are going to open the contract. You can try to buy how many lot size are holds in this position. You can click on that buy position. You can able to see what the lot size. See, June future is by June future is lot size quantity. It is showing 75 shares in a single lot. Normal position, it is you can select as normal. It is asking around 1,30,000, and if you select as MIS, that is intraday purpose, it is asking 1,20,000. So around 40-50,000 difference between MIS and normal. The MIS only for intraday, normal is a position contract. Coming to July contract, July position, click on the Nifty July futures contract buy. You can find here there is a small change, 50 quantities only. So this is the changes happened recently. It is came into exist in India from July contract, July contracts. 50 initially you are going to trade in Nifty with a quantity size of 75. Now you can able to trade only with the 50 shares. Along with that, you can check in options contract as well. I am going to explain with you guys the options contract. I can take Nifty 15,500 CE, which is June contract. It is also showing 75. So earlier we saw that futures contract, so futures in derivative contracts. Now we can check in the options contract. Now you can open the July contract as well. You can check July is changed or not. Yes, changed. There is only 50 quantity. So these are the changes that happened in futures and along with options contracts as well. You can check in PE position as well if you have any doubt. Is there any change only C or PE? Put option or call option? Put option also changed. So overall derivative contracts of Nifty contracts was changed. And Bank Nifty, you can check there is no changes in the Bank Nifty 25 lot size. I am explaining you June contract initially. So June futures contract, there is a same quantity with the lot size of 25 only. You can find here. Along with you can check with the July contract, Bank Nifty July contract futures as well. There is no change in lot size. So they kept unchanged 25. You can check in options contracts as well. There is no change in quantity 25. Bank Nifty June contract, actually I am explaining June contract, and you can check July contract in options as well. See, there is no changes in quantity. So these are the changes that happen only in Nifty index only. So there is a Nifty July contract. From July onwards we have to trade only with the quantity of 50. Along with that, you can trade in Nifty Financial Services as well, friends. Few of members can't, they didn't aware about that Nifty Financial Services only. You can similarly, how you are going to trade in Nifty Bank Nifty. Similarly, you can trade with the Nifty Financial Services as well. So these are the changes that happen. I am going to explain to you. Along with that, you can change. If you want to trade in Nifty Finance, you can simply select a Nifty space FIN, and you can trade CE or PE if you whichever you want. I am going to trade both CE PE, and we'll check with any changes are happen. So Nifty Financial Services, in there is no change. There is a quantity of 40, lot size of 40. July contract also there is no change. You can check in July contract as well. 40 in June also 40. July also 40, lot size of 40. So these are the changes happen only in Nifty. There is no changes in Bank Nifty and Nifty Financial Services. If you want to trade, you can trade in Nifty Financial Services as well. Along with that, I am here explained all the indexes values and changes, how the changes was happen in Nifty 50 index in India. This is the live example, and I am going to explain few more things. And here we are going to discuss about what is the need for creating F&O lot size, and what are the changes and why SEBI are changed these lot size and all. So here we are going to discuss about, please listen carefully. And we know that when futures were first introduced into India in 2000 year, the lot value was fixed at approximately 2 lakhs. The idea back then was to keep the minimum investment at a slightly higher level so that retail investors are deterred from participating too aggressively in the futures and options market. That is F&O. We know that. SEBI was always worried that too much retail participation in the F&O market would lead to unnecessary speculation and losses for small investors. Beginners also entered into F&O market, so unnecessarily they are booking their losses. So while SEBI had initially fixed the 2 lakhs for the lot as an indicative lot size, it was hiked to 5 lakhs per lot in the year of 2015 with a view to discourage retail investors from speculating in F&O trading. In fact, new additions to the F&O lists are being included with a minimum lot value of 7.5 lakh, and there is a proposal to change the lot value to 10 lakhs so that only informed investors and traders actually trade in the F&O markets. Most traders look at F&O not in terms of lot size but in terms of the margin requirement. When the Nifty lot value was at 2 lakhs, the initial margin required for one lot of Nifty was just about 25,000, because we know that all our DMAT brokerage companies are giving some margin amount to their clients, so that Just to, if you have only 25,000, you can able to buy the Nifty 1 lot with only 2 lakhs, and that made it accessible to small investors as well, small traders as well. In most cases, they did not understand the actual implications of F&O and ended up with the huge losses. And here I am trying to explain you with an example. For example, if you take a stock or share price with a lot size of 1000 shares with a share price of 710 rupees, will have a lot value of 7.10 lakhs. However, if the price of the stock goes up by next 1 month or next 1 year to 9,900 rupees or 1000 rupees, 950 rupees for example, you can take 950 rupees. It is increased from 710 rupees to 950 rupees over the next 1 year. Then the lot value automatically changes to 9.5 lakhs. In such cases, SEBI will look to modify the lot size at an appropriate time. SEBI has power to monitor with every 6 months they will check, and once the lot size are modified, there will be greater parity in the lot values. Just lot sizes are reduced when price go up. The lot size are also increased when price correction are going down or sharply. So for example, in the same case, if the share price, you can take an example of Tata Motors. Okay, Tata Motors share price, there is a genuine case to take the lot size up from 1500 to 3000 shares per a single lot in the light of the sharp price correction. We know that last corona situation, Tata Motors share price came to 70 to 80 rupees from the 300-400 levels. This time they are going to increase the lot size. So SEBI routinely revises the lot sizes on the upside and the downsides as well. Before July 1st, July contracts, if you want to trade in Nifty 50 of single lot, you have to keep your funds amount of 1,73,000 for a single lot with a lot size of 75. From July onwards, the margin requirement will reduce to approximately 1,15,000 because Nifty was changed to 50 lot size, right? So this is great move by the NSE to reduce the burden of excessive upfront margin for retail traders as well. And not only changing of Nifty 50 lot size, but also there is a few changes in stocks as well. There you can find here among 40 stocks already changed their lot size in terms of derivative segment. State Bank of India, Shree Cement, Tata Motors, Tata Power, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Adani Prices, BHCL, Hindalco. There is a major Mindtree, Jindal Steel. There are a few stocks are well-known companies are lot size also changed. You can find in your DMAT account. Thanks for watching, friends. This is about today's topic, and I'll come back with a new topic, new video by next time. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for your support. Have a great day, friends.